Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet. Z to L. Yellow color, green color, brown color, violet color, light green color, orange color. First, yellow color. Yellow color, Z. Z for grapes. Orange color. Orange color, H. H for horse. H for hen. Light green color. Light green color, I. I for igloo. I for ice cream. Green color. Green color, Z. Z for jug. Z for jackfruit. Brown color. Brown color, K. K for kite. K for kangaroo. Violet color. Violet color, L. L for light. L for lamp. Z. Z for goal. H. H for hen. I for ice cream. Z. Z for jackfruit. K. K for kite. L. L for light. Thank you.